Hey traders, CN Trader here. Wanted to take this opportunity to um, go ahead and review what I'm seeing here on the pound dollar. You can see up here we got a pound dollar daily here, and I got some lines here marked off. And if I just take a quick look at the weekly, you guys could see where those lines come in, the structure here, the structure here, here. You can see it here, see it here. Okay, it's all over the place. So I got my weekly line set up here. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll back down to the daily. And you can see I have these boxes marked. And these boxes are areas where I'm looking for some supply to come in, or some demand, I should say, to come in. And we're going to see, how it plays out. First thing we'll take a look at is we'll go down to the lower time frame. We'll take a quick look at the hourly time frame. And this is this upper line. Again, really quick. This is this line right here. That's a daily, weekly. If I bring it down to the hourly, that's where we are right now. You can see we've broken down. We actually came back up to test it a little bit, and we're broken down, and now we're in this area where previous supply came in. And you can see we have this nice 3 drive patterns, 1, 2, 3 drives right into our area of demand. So we're going to see this is where previous demand had come in the past. And you could see this was in around the 9th of February. We came down below this area, came right back above it, came down, came right back above it. We tested that structure, and then we shot up out of here. And so we're back down in this zone again. And so we're going to want to pay attention to this area. I'm watching this area for behavior, for potential possibility to go long. Or see if on a day, if it closes above this, or tomorrow if it comes back up and tests this from this area. But we need to understand that there is a lot of room to the downside looking at these other areas. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at this pattern that I see potentially developing. We take this swing low right here when we found some previous demand coming in, some previous buying, and it came right up to here. So we're going to take the swing high, and you're going to see that we come down right in here at a 618 right into here. Okay, and then if I take this swing high to this swing low, you can see we came up to another 618 right up in here. All right, so I'm looking for a potential Gartley that could be developing on a 4-hour. You could see the 786 comes right in at our weekly line right here. So that would make a very pretty X to A to B, B to C, C to D, Gartley. All right, so this would be an area where I'd also be looking for potential buying to come in right in here. If we go and we look left, you can see the support right in here, the structure that's there. Okay, it's right in here. So we're going to want to pay attention to that. But we do have room to the downside where we have our other weekly line that's drawn there. So, and we could see that that comes in at an 886 coming down into here. Your buy zone comes right into this area right here. So I would actually take the buy zone and put it right in here as it tests that line. Okay, and we see that structure that's right there. Okay, and if we get an extension of this to here, we see that comes in at a nice 150 very nicely. So we could see how that develops. We got an AB, potential AB right there equals CD right down into that zone. Okay, so we're going to want to pay attention to this as well as price comes into this area. So that's what I'm looking at on the pound dollar. This area that we're currently in, I'll be watching for behavior, be paying attention. Definitely we want to see, I'm going to clean the chart up a little bit. Best we want to see if the daily continues to stay below here. What happens? Does it come back up on a daily basis or 4-hour basis? Retest this structure. We know we got the retest on a 1-hour right here. So we're going to want to pay attention and see what happens here. If you do take a trade based on price behavior, if it makes it a high probability opportunity, price targets can be here, and you can look for other areas where price has come in and you've gotten selling that came in. You can see the selling that took place here, selling that took place here, here, and here for potential areas where you can look for targets on those trades. So I hope this helps. This is what I'm looking at. Again, on the 4 hour, plenty of room to the downside, but we are in a zone where previous demand came in. So enjoy, have fun, trade your plan, make a great day, do your own due diligence, and may we all make bank. Game changing bank. The kind of bank that makes you just think and grow.